Kira, maybe what's your benchmark on when you're deciding how far to go with stacking and how much you want to research? I usually don't research when I buy a pack of gum. I'm pretty
Yeah,
straightforward with that.
usually to me, it's about $100. Like if I'm
Okay.
spending $100, I'm going to dig in a little bit more. But that said, the level of digging in doesn't have to be deep when you know your bonus categories already, when your offers are already activated. You really just have to pick your best shopping portal, pick your best card, and make your purchase. So whether you are buying a pack of gum or a new mattress, you're still going to use the exact same skills to be able to stack and multiply your purchase without having to leverage that much more thought into it. So that's really what we're talking about here. That was a great segue into our slide. Is it doesn't matter what's going on out here, what changes are happening, what purchase you're making, what offers you're seeing or promotions, or what all the blogs are talking about. Those are all kind of outside noise that, yes, we want to know. Yes, we want to keep our thumb on, but they shouldn't dictate every single thing we do. Because if we've set ourselves up with these skills, when the banks change and the cards change and we're making an unusual purchase, and we received an email from Rakuten that they're changing how their portals work, and our favorite credit card is changing their transfer partners, or Built has an amazing transfer bonus. All of these things happen all of the time, but we've got our skills that are in place and they're going to continue to work regardless of all of that. So it's try to shut out the noise a little bit and just focus on these 3 skills all the time.
I love it. Can we pop quiz the chat real quick? I have no prize to offer other than my applause and cheering for you. But Kira just gave us 3 skills that if you study these and master these, you're going to win with points. You can't avoid it. You're going to build the type of stash of points that we talk about around here. So 3 skills. First one, at least on my end, to list all 3 skills will get my undying love. We'll throw that out there for all the good that does you. But I want to see that, there were a bunch of people taking notes. Did we get it? Do you have these skills? Because once you've got them, you don't unlearn these skills and they'll apply to everything that you do. So let's see. All right, they're starting to come in here. This is the first one I see. Kira, tell me if we got it right.
Know your bonus categories. Understand card-linked offers. Master shopping portals. Woo! That's right.
Just like that. There we go. And they're starting to come in.
Yeah, way to go, guys.
I love it. Yeah, and there's a bunch more coming in. Very, very well done. That's what I want. And that's, y'all, why we do these live streams, is because we want you to see and learn these skills, because they will change how you travel. Every single person we have on and you see them take this amazing trip, we do a case study. How did they have the points to do it? How did they have so many points? This is how. It's literally these 3 skills. And Kira, this curriculum that we've been talking about, and I know we've got some questions about it. They've been coming in as we've been going here about this earning multipliers course. I want to bring up this slide so you can talk a little bit about it here, but this is to support and help you master these 3 skills, right?
Exactly. So the curriculum focuses on these 3 skills plus. So got lots of updated examples. Looking through the past curriculum, obviously time goes by, examples change. So we've updated a lot of examples. We've also added lessons. So I think there are 3 or 4 brand new lessons from scratch that we've added to the curriculum. We're talking about a lot of the current tools. I touched on tools in here and how there are a lot of them out there that truly benefit our ability to earn. So we've added some information about the current tools, the current state of these tools into our curriculum. I've talked a lot about workflow. I mentioned before, I say several times in there, why don't we pause the video and go try this? So we're talking about stepping through, like I say, step-by-step demonstrations, step-by-step workflow of how to get from A to Z with earning, and all of the real world scenarios that can get us there.
And this, I love this. When I saw this in your notes today, Kira, this is a game changer.
So this is what it boils down to. We're trying to shift how you think, not just what you click. So we could create a curriculum that said, step 1, type in your email address, step 2, type in your password, walk you through every single thing. Instead, I want you to shift how you're thinking about purchases, how you're thinking about changes in the points and mile world, and then how you apply these skills to all of those changes, to all of those purchases, instead of just what do I click next? What do I do next? Making it become inherent and a part of how you're thinking about things day to day.
Well said.
So it's not memorization. If you've met me, I'm a terrible memorizer. I write lots of things down, big into notes, big into all of that. So we're not thinking, how do I memorize it? How do I memorize what's happening today? It's how do I apply my knowledge for the best earning opportunities indefinitely. So we're taking this from a memorization tool into a long-term skills tactic.
All right, Kira, I got a couple of questions here that I want to throw up here for you. This came in while we were talking about some of those card-linked offers. Are all of these deals connected to specific credit cards? How does that work?
Yes-ish. So we call them card-linked offers because they are connected to specific credit cards, but pretty much all of the cards have them. So dig into the cards that you have specifically and see what your targeted offers are. And the one exception to that is Simply Miles, which are card-linked offers that will work with any MasterCard. And we do talk about Simply Miles quite a bit in the Earning Multipliers course because it is a little bit different from our offers, but it is also linked to MasterCard in general. So that's our only kind of deviation there.
All right. Kira, a lot of Built questions. Is there a good resource for how to use Built best and maximize all the things that are part of the Built card?
So Jay Goot, I feel like we were kind of the front runners with Built here. We really jumped in and recognized the value of Built. So there's a ton of resource right here in the Jay Goot community on how to best use Built. But I'm going to tell you the number one thing about Built is ignore all the noise, ignore all of the shiny objects, the rabbit holes that are so easy to go down. And if you get a Built Palladium card, it's 2 points per dollar on everything. Earn those 2 points per dollar. Use the Built card to earn it. Forget the noise. Focus on the earn. 2 points per dollar on everything with the Built Palladium.
Very, very well said. And yeah, somebody said there's a great episode on Jay Goot's, one of our live streams. We've done several live streams on Built. So there's lots of those that you'll find. And Kira talks about it in the Earning Multipliers course, as well as, Kira, you take a lot of questions about Built in the Earning Multipliers Q&As as well.
And I should mention our July Q&A is coming up in 2 weeks. So if you join the course and you start digging into those classes, a couple of weeks, you'd be able to attend a Q&A.
Well said. And hey, this isn't directly Earning Multipliers related, but it comes up a lot. Is Built worthwhile if you don't have rent or mortgage?
Yes. So rent and mortgage is a great aspect of Built. But what I was just saying, ignore all of the extras. Can be fun, can be exciting. We can dive into it more as we're becoming more proficient at earning, but the name of the game with Built, 2 points per dollar on everything. Focus on that earn. Don't worry about the noise.
Very, very well said. Let's talk about Built and Rakuten. Can those be linked together, Kira?
They sure can. And you don't even have to have a Built credit card to do it. You just need a Built rewards account and you can link it to Rakuten. I know I've talked a lot about the curriculum, teaching you these skills and the high level comprehension of it. But we definitely do get into the details as well in the curriculum, and we'll show you exactly the process for linking to Built, linking to Amex, deviating away from cashback and making sure Rakuten's being a good points earner for you.
Yeah, lots of questions about that, about Rakuten and linking them together. And you walk us through that perfectly, as well as how to maximize it. And this right here is the way. Mira's out in the chat. I just do what Kira tells me. That's good advice right there. And somehow I just always have points.
But the feeling is mutual. I do what Mira tells me, and she does what I tell her. We are successful in our points earning.
Let me throw this up there. This is coming up a lot as well. Is the Earning Multipliers class part of the Vault? And the answer is an absolute yes. For those of you who are unfamiliar, the Vault is kind of our next level up program that includes not just Kira's Earning Multipliers membership, but all of our mini memberships here at Jay Goot. So there are memberships and courses on points redemption, what to do with all of these points that Kira taught us how to earn, cruises, family travel, Southwest, all under this heading. And so when you go to that site, jaygoot.com/EM, you will see Kira's earning multiplier course there and all the details. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll also see a special offer for the vault. So if you decide, hey, I really need to learn it all, not just earning multipliers. That's one really important aspect of it, but I need to learn the entire JGoot system and have a place to ask my questions about every aspect. You'll find that there as well. That's called the JGoot Vault. It'll get you access to every one of our mini memberships and all 6 Q&As that happen throughout the month.